Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to hide your Huawei router's QR code. Many routers display a QR code for easy Wi-Fi sharing, but this can pose a security risk if unauthorized individuals gain access. We'll explore how to manage this feature, ensuring your network remains private. You'll learn the steps to access your router's settings and adjust its visibility. To begin, ensure your device is connected to your Huawei router's Wi-Fi network. Next, open any web browser and type your router's IP address into the address bar. This is commonly 192, 168, 1, 1 or 192, 168, 3, 1. You will then be prompted to enter your administrator username and password to access the router's configuration page. Once logged in, look for sections like Wi-Fi settings, security, or guest network. Within these menus, search for any options pertaining to QR code sharing, Wi-Fi sharing, or quick connect features. If you find a setting, disable it. If your router lacks a software option, a simple, opaque sticker can effectively obscure the physical QR code. Beyond hiding the QR code, always change your default Wi-Fi password to a strong, unique combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. For the best protection, enable WPA3 encryption if your router supports it, as this offers superior security over older standards. These steps significantly enhance your network's defense against unauthorized access. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.